unbox my Boeing 747-200 of Qantas. To be honest guys, this is my first old livery of Qantas and my first Boeing 747-200. This is made by Gemini jets and this video is first on YouTube. Let's take a look at the box. So here you can see the Boeing 747-200 and the name of the plane, the scale and the airline. Even the company is made by Gemini jets. Now it says we can look inside. So here's the model with the stand. By the way guys, it's actually in orange paper, but when you remove it, it will be in the actual color. Here are the specifications of the model, as well as some information about Gemini jets. On the sides of the box, it's Gemini jets and the type of scale and the airline's name. Same thing on the other side. And the registration is VHEBA. So this is from Australia. That's why it is VHEBA. Let me pause this video guys and let's unbox the plane. Okay guys, so once you have removed the orange plastic out, you just have to remove the outer cover of it. And there you go guys, here's the model. This is the same way it's packed in my official store when I get the model. The front part is always wrapped in plastic. Not I mean to say for my Gemini jets, but for this Dragon Wings plane I got. So guys, here's the model of the Qantas Boeing 747-200. It's very detailed and it's made of metal. And here's the stand. But before we move on to the stand, let's go to the plane one by one. Now, the first thing is the cockpit and the next is the bottom. And as you can see closely, it's written Boeing 747-200. By the way, it's not clear, but obviously it will be written. Then you can see the registration. I mean, this is the name of the airlines. You can see Qantas. Let me turn the plane the other way around. Yeah, Qantas. But on the other side, it's the registration, which is VHEBA. Now, I have a A380 model with the Qantas tail, which is the 2016 style. But I'm not sure which one this can be. So, never mind. Now, this is like almost the same like the Boeing 747-400. However, the wingtips are different and the engines are different. And the doors above on the second deck. Let's see the bottom part. So we have the wheels here, and it's the wheels and Gemini jets. The wheels, they don't roll, not tilt, but it's fine. Only the center wheels they move, but it's fine with me guys because it's only meant for display. You can see above guys the lights which are for alert. Let's take a look around the plane. So we'll go through the wings first because I haven't spoken to you about the navigation lights. So on this side is the red navigation light. Then let's move on to the rest of the plane. You see the registration, which is, just wait, VHEBA and the flag of Australia. Same thing on the other side, but with the green navigation light. So let's move on to the stand guys. Now it's a black color stand. You have to clip it. Yes. Almost done. Oh. It's okay. Let's fix the plane at last. I don't think this can be fixed because there's no hole below. Well, it's okay. But at least the stand you can see. Well, but it's okay. It looks better to me on the ground. And I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. This is also very antique in my collection. So if you like this video, guys, please like and subscribe. And you can comment on my videos if you would wish to. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.